Imagine yourself working in your garden, surrounded by greenery and sunshine. The birds are singing and the wind is gently blowing, but you have a task to complete, trimming the branches of that tree that has grown a bit too much lately. You take out your manual saw, but after just a few minutes, you can already feel the fatigue in your arms. You start to wonder, what if there was a tool that could make this task much easier and faster? Well, this tool exists, and it could change the way you DIY and garden for everyone. Always. Let me introduce you to the Bosch Home & Garden Advanced Recipe 18 cordless reciprocating saw. As soon as you hold it in your hand, you can immediately feel the difference. Its ergonomic design with Christoph or Softgrip allows for comfortable and non-slip handling, no matter how long you work. Weighing only 2.1 kg, this saw is lightweight, which means less fatigue for your arms and more work done in less time. If you're interested, feel free to click the link in the description right now. To learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours at the best price right now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to discover the best products we specially select for you every day. This reciprocating saw is perfect for passionate DIYers and professionals looking for a high-performance tool for quick and precise cuts. Whether for gardening or construction work, it offers unmatched mobility and ease of use. What really sets this saw apart from others is its ability to reduce vibrations thanks to an ingenious mass compensation system. Vibrations are reduced by 40% compared to the previous model. Imagine being able to saw for hours without feeling that uncomfortable sensation in your hands and arms. It's as if the saw does all the work for you, allowing you to stay focused on what really matters, completing your projects with precision and efficiency. But that's not all. This saw is equipped with an SDS blade change system, which makes replacing the blade quick and easy. No more need to search for extra tools or waste precious time. In just a few seconds, you can switch from one blade to another and keep working without interruption. The supplied blade, designed for wood and metal, allows you to make precise and clean cuts, whether you're working on tree branches, metal pipes, or wooden boards. The Advanced Recipe 18 is powered by an 18 V Lithium battery, compatible with Bosch's Power for All system, DIY and gardening. This means you can use the same battery for a multitude of tools. Bosch, thus optimizing your investment and reducing the number of batteries needed in your workshop. Additionally, with an LED charge indicator, you always know exactly where your battery stands. The 3 green LEDs give you a clear and precise indication, allowing you to plan your work without any unpleasant surprises. Whether you're a passionate DIYer or a professional looking for a reliable tool, this cordless reciprocating saw will meet all your expectations. Its cordless mobility is a major advantage, allowing you to work anywhere, even without an electrical outlet. Imagine the freedom to saw any material anywhere without being hindered by an electrical cord. Whether it's for gardening tasks like pruning trees, cutting firewood, or for construction and demolition work, this saw is your trusted ally. The performance of the Recip 18 goes beyond its ease of use and mobility. It also offers an impressive cutting speed of 0 to 3100 strokes per minute with a stroke length of 23 mm. Its technical features allow for quick and precise cuts, saving you valuable time on your projects. Whether you're cutting wood or steel, this one will meet your needs efficiently. And what about the build quality? Bosch is a brand known for its reliability and durability. With this saw, you can be sure you have a tool designed to last. Every component has been meticulously selected to provide the best possible performance. From the blade to the saw, everything has been designed to provide you with an optimal user experience. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it now at the best price and truly revolutionize your daily life. Now, I suggest we recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, cordless mobility, allows you to work anywhere without being limited by the length of a cord. Advantage number 2, battery compatibility. It uses 18 V Lithium-Ion batteries from Bosch's Power for All, which helps optimize resources. Advantage number 3, LED charge indicator. It provides a clear visualization of the battery level, making it easier to manage your working time. Advantage number 4, ergonomic design. The soft grip handle ensures a comfortable grip.